On this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset a Samsung TU7000. Now, the reason that you might want to do this if the TV is having any type of issues, you always want to factory reset it first. Or if you plan on selling it to someone, you also want to factory reset it to make sure any of the applications that you logged into are not still online for the next person to use your account. So sit back and relax and let's get started. The first thing I'm going to show you is the remote control that comes with the Samsung TU7000. We're going to be using this arrow up and down and OK to select as I walk through these screens. The first thing you should know is that the TU7000 does have a settings on the remote control, but we're going to go over here to where it says setting on the main screen. Once you press on that, it's going to bring up the menu system. Next, you want to go down here where it says general. Then you want to go over and go down to the bottom. All you need to do now is press on reset. And if you did set up a PIN number, you can change it. Otherwise, default setting is 4 zeros. So I can hit the number pad for the zeros 4 times, but then it's going to give me a confirmation. Do I want to proceed with the reset? You want to highlight reset and then go ahead and press OK in the center of the remote. Now this process generally takes between 5 and 10 minutes to come back up. Now that the TV has reached 100%, it'll automatically power cycle itself. And at this point, you can start setting it up with a smart device or the remote control. I'm Tech Steve. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace!